We just unbox the boxes, and here we go. We have a laptop, very good quality, and couple of instruction documents, and a plug point, and an adapter with Dell symbol. Quality wise, it is good. Okay, this is the inside, and this is a fingerprint reader, and this is Intel Core i7 10th generation, mouse pad, and some instruction. Okay, it is good. And inside we have power cable, HDMI, USB, and USB-C type. And this side we have card reader, USB, and headphone jack, and this is I think lock. That's it. It's a nice one. I think we need to put it for charging. We'll quickly start and see will it come up, or we need to put it for charging. Hope this is the power button. I think I need to put it for charging. Okay, this is what the pretty much about unboxing of Dell Inspiron 14 5000 series 2-in-1 laptop, 14-inch, and this is what it says about all the instruction manual, blah blah blah, and this is about the screen setup, and this is cameras, microphone, and all those things. And this laptop is loaded with Windows 10, and this is they explained about the side configurations: HDMI, power, low, and this is back panel where they explained about what is heatsink, where the mics are, where the speakers are, and this is in some Chinese and English, and this is what complete layout. Hope this helps for you guys to decide. I'll quickly make another call to set up the laptop, since I need to charge, because I need to charge for this laptop to come up with this. Thank you guys. Cheers. Bye.